Remove Allen bolt wing left using Allen key. Remove wing left using your hand. Remove Allen bolt wing right using Allen key. Remove wing right using your hand. Remove Allen bolt 1 using Allen key. Remove Allen bolt 2 using Allen key. Remove UAV hatch using your hand. Remove Allen bolt 3 using Allen key. Remove Allen bolt 4 using Allen key. Remove UAV hatch middle using your hand. Remove GPS hatch using your hand. Remove Allen bolt 5 using Allen key. Remove Allen bolt 6 using Allen key. Remove Allen bolt camera hatch using Allen key. Remove telemetry hatch using your hand. Remove camera hatch using your hand. Remove run cam body using your hand. Remove run cam lens using your hand. Remove run cam optics using your hand. Remove run cam socket main using your hand. Remove run cam socket left using your hand. Remove run cam electronics using your hand. Remove run cam bolt alpha using Allen key. Remove run cam bolt beta using Allen key. Remove pitot tube using your hand. Remove stabilizer left using your hand. Remove stabilizer right using your hand. Remove motor left connection tube using your hand. Remove motor body left using your hand. Remove tube clamp alpha using your hand. Remove tube clamp beta using your hand. Remove propeller left using your hand. Remove left motor pin using your hand. Remove left motor cover using your hand. Remove copper windings using your hand. Remove tilt motor bracket using your hand. Remove servo connector using Allen key. Remove servo connector beta using Allen key. Remove servo motor left alpha using your hand. Remove tube servo connector using your hand. Remove motor right connection tube using your hand. Remove tube clamp alpha using your hand. Remove tube clamp beta using your hand. Remove motor right body using your hand. Remove propeller right using your hand. Remove motor pin right using your hand. Remove motor cover right using your hand. Remove copper windings using your hand. Remove stator right motor using your hand. Remove tilt motor bracket using your hand. Remove servo connector right alpha using your hand. Remove servo connector right beta using your hand. Remove servo motor right using your hand. Remove gearbox beta using your hand. Remove gearbox alpha using your hand. Remove tube to motor connector using your hand. Remove antenna mount using your hand. Remove antenna fairing using your hand. Remove motor holder using your hand. Remove rear motor body using your hand. Remove propeller holder using your hand. Remove propeller holder beta using your hand. Remove propeller wing alpha using your hand. Remove propeller wing beta using your hand. Remove motor cover using your hand. Remove rear motor pin using your hand. Remove GoPro mount using your hand. Remove GoPro black using your hand. Remove camera cover body using your hand. Remove RX antenna mount using your hand.